Seekeeper fundamentally transforms the human experience on the water. By eliminating up to 95% of boat roll, it offers a land-like experience to boaters.
My family gets motion sickness, and a number of my friends do too.
I think with seasickness, when you're in the waves, that movement can really bounce you around so much that you just need some stability.
2/3 of boaters get some sort of motion sickness. By adding Seekeeper and eliminating up to 95% of boat roll, they're able to go out and enjoy boating with their family and friends in a much more comfortable situation.
While we were rocking for about 2 minutes, when the Seakeepers kicked in, the rocking stopped, and the only thing that was rocking were the boats ahead of us that did not have Seekeeper. So this is an amazing leap forward in boating.
Unbelievable. When you do this, and then you do this, that's real. But you got 5-foot swells out here, and then it was just totally level.
The Seekeeper uses a patented vacuum, bearing, and cooling technology that allows us to achieve such a high level of performance. By spinning the flywheel in that vacuum, we're able to spin it at a much higher rate of speed with much less power draw, resulting in a high level of performance in a small compact package. Seekeeper's offered on Sea Ray, Azimut, Scout, Boston Whaler, and more. It's really something that you have to experience for yourself on a boat on the water.
The real bottom line is there's a lot more people that will be boating now thanks to Seekeeper.
It's remarkable. It really is true. It's remarkable. I think you just need to, you've got to do it.
It's like we say, take a ride and be amazed. If you'd like to experience Seekeeper for yourself, contact your local MarineMax store or visit MarineMax.com for more information and a list of Seekeeper stabilized MarineMax vessels.